Meaning of indiscretion.
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 Indiscretion. Indiscretion refers to a lack of good judgment or discretion, often leading to a mistake or error in behavior. It can be used to describe various actions that are inappropriate, impulsive, or reckless, such as sharing confidential information, making ill-advised remarks, or engaging in scandalous behavior. The consequences of indiscretion can range from mild embarrassment to severe legal and professional repercussions. Overall, indiscretion is viewed negatively and is not a desirable trait in personal or professional contexts. It is important to exercise good judgment and discretion to avoid the pitfalls of indiscretion.